All right, a quick update on the Viking. Got the motor covered at the moment. Just giving the body a light sand. Want to spray it with a black primer color for now until we decide what color we want to go when we do the full restoration. But for now, she's just getting a freshen up, so I'm gonna go with the matte black. I think we're gonna go matte black for a while. So. All right, a quick Viking update for you guys. You will have seen the video where we've done the engine. If you haven't, there should be 3 videos: the stripping of the accessories, removing the camshaft, the P-pump, the injector lines, and then putting it all back in. As you can see, I have now sprayed her with a black primer. This is not like final paint or anything because there's still a lot of body work that has to be done to her, but I don't have time for that now, so I've got to get her up and running and working. Semi-assembled, we're going to start the process of getting her back together now. And then you will be able to see what she looks like. She's still going to get a final coat of the primer once she's all assembled. I'd like the color change. And then we've got to deal with the inside still. Got to remove a bunch of gauges, add a bunch of gauges, take all this out, make all this much nicer, put in some new wiring front to back. Going to start the process of rebuilding the load bed, finishing the load bed floor, redoing that, and then get that 14 bolt welded up full. The prop shaft should be here next week. Super rough working truck look. Passenger side, it is a super cab. The roof is still good. We didn't do that, but it's done pretty well, I think. Running some off-road style tires for the while. There's the fuel tank. Progress, Viking progress. Need to get it out the shop. It's taking up way too much space.